Welcome to my channel. My name is Fred McConley. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. If today is the first day you are seeing my channel, what I want you to do for me is to like this video. At the same time, when you like this video, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Today, I want to inform you, or I want to show you the way I'm going to invest an amount that just come into my account through business and whatever we are doing is about 800,000 naira. I'm going to show you the way to, I'm going to strategize on these particular scenarios. And at the end of this video, after this video, I'm going to record it in a practical manner. How I will be investing it in a practical manner, and show you a short video on that particular scenario. If you can look at my video, around June last year, I did a video on how I invested 500,000 naira through Trove, and I just earmarked that particular account through that particular platform. I invested 500,000 naira. I share it among different sectors or among different industries. And I think if you can go and look at that video, or I will put the description of that video on my phone, I can assure you I invested 500 naira after sharing it, amongst some assets. And today, the investment has grew up by 54%. It has given us about 556,000 naira from about 7 or 8 months thereabouts. So it's an avenue for you to be able to create wealth for you. That's just a minimum time, a minimum period of time. It has not even up to 1 year, because I can remember vividly we did this investment around June last year. So today I'm going to show you the way I'm going to strategize about this 800,000 naira inflow that are just coming through a business setup. So, and I'm going to use a particular platform, Chaka. I've registered with Chaka, but I'm not doing any investment because I use varieties of investment. Especially, I use Bamboo, I use Alpha Investment 2.0, I use Cowrywise for my mutual fund, and Nigeria, you can buy Nigeria stock on Cowrywise. I use Bamboo, for my US stocks, at the same time for my Nigeria stock investment. So, but I've registered with Chaka, but I've not used. I want to use this. I want to designate this particular funds in and invest it on Chaka through the following strategy. So we shall be looking at how I would invest 800,000 naira in Nigerian stock market, 2026 well. So I will be sharing it among some industries. I will be sharing among banking, among energy, I will share it among cement industry. At the same time, I will look at telecommunication. I will look at telecommunication because I will put it in about 6 parts. Banking, energy, um, energy. I will look at cement, at the same time telecommunication, and the consumer goods. So let's quickly move forward. The first one we are going to consider, that I'm going to apportion part of 280,000 naira out of that 800,000 naira. I'm going to apportion it to banking sector. There is no way you want to invest in stock market without considering banking sector, because they have been printing money. They have been consistent in generating profit, at the same time for dividend payment for the past 7, 10 years. So it's a company that have been tested. So I will share this my 280,000 naira between GT Bank and the and the Zenith Bank. So if you look at this trend this year, you can see how GTB has been moving up. It was also, the price was around 85, 87, 18 at December, but they moved across 100 naira. Now it's about 105 now. Likewise, Zenith was around 60. Zenith is about 78, I mean 75 as I last say, as I recently, as I yesterday. So what are you looking for? So if you can be able to put, and I can assure you, these particular banking sectors, they are still going to move off after the announcement of the recapitalization. But because this one that I've measured have already met up with their recapitalization has been regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So it's an avenue for you to be able to create wealth for yourself. It's the companies, the banking industry in Nigeria, especially this GTB and Zenith Bank, have been tested, and they have a very strong balance sheet, and then they have strong cash flow, and then they are very liquid on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. You can come in and come out. So I will split my 200,000 naira between the two, between the GTB Bank and the Zenith Bank. Then I move to energy sector. This currency in a dollar currency, and you need to have an investment that you can be earning in other currency, and this particular one can give you that kind of opportunity. They generate most of their revenue in dollars. So what are you waiting for? Energy, I will split my I will apportion 160,000 naira into this space, and I'm going to share it between Seplat and Arade Holdings. I'm going to split between Seplat and Arade's holding. This has been put and been rewarding shareholders for a long time now, and they have been making consistent revenues, and their prices have been moving up on a steady manner. So I will look at, out of this apportionment of 160,000 naira, I will look at Seplat and Arade. Then I move to part three. Part three is the cement. I'm going to consider cement. Cement is a factor that has been, they have the pricing power for them to be able to control the price, because they are limited, and it's an essential thing for the building and infrastructure in Nigeria. So when you are looking at cement, then you should look at Lafarge cement and Dangote cement. So you should put sizable amount of it. So I decided to put 160,000 naira onto this page, just like the way I put the other one. I put 160,000 naira. I'm going to share it between Dangote cement and for the year 2021. This is a long-term wealth builder. Then we move to the next one. The next one is telecommunication sector, telecommunication industry. With telecommunication industry, it's like eyes opener for you to be able to put your money into this particular space, because they provided data, and without data is like oil. Data is like a new oil now, because there's nothing you want to do on internet space that you don't need data. And they are the providers of this data. MTN, it's one of the largest and the biggest telecommunication company in Nigeria. So you cannot rule it out. I'm going to apportion 120,000 naira, which I'm going to use it to be able to buy this particular stock. If you look at MTN around December was about 511, I mean 511 exactly. But as of today, it has moved up to 650, and they still have the potential for upside. That is, they are going to move up in their prices. So what are you looking for? So I'm going to appreciate the whole of 120,000 naira. I'm going to put it on MTN for my own strategy. These are my strategy, and you can use this strategy for any funds that you have, for free fund that you want to invest. I just want to make sure that I put it on the new platform that I've not used before, which is Chaka, in order for me to be able to monitor the investment and see how my investment is growing. Then we move to the last one. The last one is consumer goods. Consumer goods is an avenue for you to be able to have a stable, wealth in terms of stock investment. Consumer goods perform wonderfully well. They are performed very wonderfully in the year 2025. So when you are looking at consumer goods, you are looking at the way for you. I mean, you are looking at how to, because as long as the purchasing power of Nigeria improves, this particular company will move forward, because Nigeria will be able to have more income for them to be able, more money for them to be able to. And foods are essential things and part of it, especially Nigeria. As a result of Nigerian population, people must eat. So this kind of company investment in this particular state. So I'm going to share, I'm going to allocate 80,000 naira to this consumer good and share it among Boa Foods, among Nestle products, I mean Nestle companies, and at the same time press school. I'm going to share it among these three, and apportionment. So if I have money subsequently, I can add to this particular consumer goods. So these are the way for you to be able to create wealth for yourself through this particular strategy. So you can use this strategy for any funds for you to be able to monitor your investment and create wealth for yourself for the year 2026. So these are this portfolio that I've just mentioned, all the strategy. What are they going to give you? Number one, it's going to give you dividend income. At the same time, it's going to give you capital appreciation. At the same time, it's going to give you sector diversification. And lastly, it's going to reduce your risk. So these are scenarios for you to be able to, for you to be able to create wealth for yourself. You can register on any investment platform, as I've mentioned before, like Bamboo, like Trove, like Chaka, like AfriInvest 2.0. You can register appropriately, or Cowrywise. You can buy Nigerian stock in most of these particular scenario. But me, I'm going to use this Chaka to be able to monitor this 800,000 naira investment I'm going to do. And subsequently, after I will practically, invest this fund and recorded my screen, which I'm going to put onto my YouTube channel as a short short video, and then for you to be able to look at the way I've apportioned, in a practical manner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, what I just want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like the video, you are helping our channel. At the same time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end and for like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless.